Hi, superstars. It is time for math. We are on lesson 7-7. Draw a picture. You've learned about joining groups and number stories. Today, you're going to learn how to draw pictures to solve word problems about joining two groups. What things have you seen in the sky in the daytime? Have you seen birds? How about clouds or airplanes? Maybe you've seen kites or balloons. All right, let's look at our worksheet here and figure out a problem. Let's say Yusuf sees a group of 3 fluffy white clouds in the sky, and Hiba sees one other cloud. How many clouds did they see all together? We can draw a picture to show what we know. So how can I show 3 clouds? We can draw 3 clouds, right? Remember, your pictures don't have to look like real objects. You can draw circles or you can even draw X's to represent the clouds. Okay, so let's trace these 3 clouds. And again, they don't have to look like real clouds. Okay, they can be just an X or a circle, but we're just going to trace these. So there's 3 clouds. And then how do I show one cloud? I draw one more cloud over here. All right, so we're going to join the groups. We have 2 groups. Remember, we're going to join them together. And we're going to count the clouds on the page. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write the number 4 on our number line here. All right, now let's look down here. Let's say there are 2 red kites. And again, we don't have to draw kites. We can just draw something to represent the kites. So there's 2 red kites in the sky. So those are representing the 2 red kites. And then there are 2 yellow kites in the sky. So how many kites are there all together? So we're going to join our groups, right? And let's count and see how many there are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 kites all together. All right, let's work on our next problem up here. Let's say there's 1 shell on the beach. So I'm just going to draw a circle to represent 1 shell. And then there are 4 shells in a pail. So I need to draw my 4 shells over here. So how many shells are there all together? We're going to join them and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 shells all together. Okay. Now there are 3 rocks on the beach. And then there are 4 more rocks in the water. So I'm drawing these circles to represent my rocks. How many rocks are there all together? Let's join our 2 groups and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rocks all together. All right, let's turn our paper over. All right, let's look at our first box over here. Get my pen. Let's look right here. Okay, Yusuf sees 3 fish in one bowl and 3 fish in another bowl. How many fish did he see altogether? So what are we trying to find out? We're trying to find out how many fish Yusuf sees altogether. So let's look over here at our next box. Yusuf drew a picture as he planned to solve the problem. So how many fish did he draw in each fishbowl? He drew 3 fish. So what number sentence did he write to match the picture? 3 and 3 is 6. So 3 and 3 is 6. Or we can always say 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let's go to our third box over here. How can we use the picture that Yusuf drew to solve the problem? We can count the 2 groups together to find out that he sees 6 fish all together, right? So let's look at our last box. How can I use the picture to check my answer? Well, I can count to see that my drawing matches the story, and then count to see that I have the right number sentence. All right, let's look at our first problem. Let's lift it up. All right, so we are on number 1 here. So what it's asking us to do, it says, listen to the problems, then draw pictures to solve. So we're going to say that Yusuf sees 3 fish in one bowl and 3 fish in another bowl. So how many fish did he see in all? So we are going to draw 3 fish here in one bowl and 3 fish in another bowl. Now we're going to figure out how many fish he saw in all. So we are going to write 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. And you can count them to double check. All right, we're at number 2 now. A hen laid 2 eggs yesterday. So 2 eggs, right? And then 3 more today. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we forgot. We're joining them together, right? So how many did she lay all together? So we want to see how many eggs that the hen laid all together. So we write the first group has 2. Our second group has how many? 3. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. And you can count to check. All right, let's look at number 3 here. You're going to listen again and you're going to draw pictures to solve. Hiba hits 5 baseballs in one inning and then 2 in the next. So Hiba hit 5 baseballs in the first inning and then she hit 2 baseballs in the next. How many did she hit in both innings put together? So we're going to put them together. We're going to join them. Hiba hit 5 in the first inning and 2 in the next. So how many in all? 5 plus 2 equals 7. count to check. All right, we're at number 4. Yusuf kicked 2 soccer balls. 1, 2, and then 4 more into the goal. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many did he kick in all? We're going to join them, and then we're going to write how many is in each group. 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 equals how many? 6. And remember, count to check. Good job, superstars. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.